Here at the College of Life Sciences, we like to begin with the end in mind. Preparing to graduate is exciting and relatively simple. In this video, we will help you understand the requirements and resources available to you on your collegiate journey. These requirements include BYU's general education classes, religion credits, major-specific classes, and prerequisite or recommended classes for graduate and professional schools. BYU provides several resources to help you understand the steps and classes you will need to take in order to fulfill these requirements and organize them into a course graduation plan. The BYU catalog has various tabs and pages that explain the requirements for each program. These are organized by colleges within the university, departments, an alphabetical list of the majors and minors, even a list of each individual course offered at the university, including any prerequisites for the course and the semester the course is taught, as well as a section for the general education requirements at BYU. Another helpful resource is your progress report in MyMap. This can be used to view your progress in fulfilling the requirements for the basic core, as well as for your declared major or minor if you have one. BYU also has a pre-professional advisement website to explain the requirements and recommendations of classes that will prepare you for any postgraduate programs you may want to pursue. By using these resources, you can easily plan the courses you need to take and design a schedule that will help you know which classes to take each semester at BYU, similar to this example chart. This will become a map and a guideline to make your time at BYU easier and more effective. As you complete each course and requirement, you will find yourself putting together the puzzle pieces to make your plans for the future a reality. Once you have completed your plan, feel free to reach out to your life science advisor to review it.